Hey Jim, good morning to you.
Good morning, John. How's everything going?
I'm okay, but feeling nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
I heard some bad news.
What news? Tell me, please.
The company may lay off workers.
Really? Who told you that?
Susan told me this morning.
Susan from the accounting team?
Yes, she seemed very serious.
That sounds scary and bad, John.
Yes, I feel very worried.
Did she say how many?
She didn't know exact numbers yet.
When will it maybe happen?
Maybe next month or very soon.
That's really bad news, John.
Yes, I just bought house.
Oh no, that's very stressful.
My wife is also very scared.
I understand. I feel worried too.
Did you hear anything before today?
No, today is the first time.
Susan said it's almost confirmed.
Why are they laying people off?
Company isn't making enough profit anymore.
I thought we were doing okay.
That's what I thought too.
Do you think Susan is right?
I trust her. She seems sure.
But why would she know that?
Her mom is our boss.
Oh, then she must know.
Yes, that's why I'm scared.
I've only worked here 5 months.
That's not very long at all.
I might be the first out.
You're not the only one, Jim.
True, but I have a baby.
Oh no, when was baby born?
Just last week. A little girl.
Congratulations. But timing is hard.
Thank you. Yes, really tough timing.
What will you do now?
I don't know. Look for jobs?
That's what I'm thinking too.
But what if it's just rumors?
I hope it's only rumors.
Hope won't help us much now.
You're right. We need a plan.
Maybe update our resumes tonight?
Good idea. I'll start tonight.
I'll also check job websites.
Me too. Any favorite sites?
I like Indeed and LinkedIn mostly.
Great, I'll check those too.
Have you told anyone else yet?
No, just you and my wife.
I won't tell anyone else either.
We don't want panic at work.
Exactly, that would be bad now.
Should we talk to Susan again?
Yes, maybe she knows more now.
Let's ask her during lunch break.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Thanks. I feel better with you.
Same here. It's good to talk.
Better than worrying all alone, right?
Yes, it helps to share feelings.
What will you do if fired?
Move in with my parents again.
That sounds hard but smart too.
I have to save money now.
Me too. No more eating out.
Yes, bring lunch from home daily.
Cut all extra costs right now.
Agreed. Time to be super careful.
I'll cancel my gym membership tonight.
I'll cancel cable. We watch little.
Smart. Use YouTube for free workouts.
Good idea. YouTube has everything now.
Let's focus on what we control.
Yes, not everything is in hands.
But we can prepare ourselves better.
What jobs would you apply for?
Similar job, maybe smaller company nearby.
I might try something totally different.
Like what? New career path maybe?
Maybe sales or something part-time first.
That's brave. Change is hard though.
Yes, but might be necessary soon.
I'll talk to my old boss.
Good idea. They might need help.
We must use all our contacts.
Right, networking is really important now.
Let's make a job search plan.
Yes. Write goals for this week.
Apply to 5 jobs this week.
That sounds good. Maybe 6 jobs.
Okay, 6. Let's do that together.
Want to meet after work tonight?
Sure. Coffee shop near the station?
Perfect. Bring laptop and updated resume.
Will do. See you at 7.
Don't forget to ask Susan later.
Yes. She might know more details.
What if layoffs don't happen though?
Then we still gain job options.
True. No harm in being ready.
I feel better having a plan.
Me too. Thanks for talking, John.
Thank you too, Jim. We're strong.
We'll get through this together, man.
Definitely. Teamwork makes everything better, always.
Let's focus on doing good work.
Yes, still do our best daily.
They might keep best workers longer.
Good point. Show we bring value.
Keep helping others and working hard.
Let's avoid office gossip too.
Yes, stay professional no matter what.
Time to go back to work.
Let's catch Susan after our meeting.
Agreed. I hope she's not busy.
I'll message her now, just in case.
Thanks. Ask if she's free later.
She said yes. 1 p.m. break?
Great. We'll talk during lunch then.
Try to stay calm until then.
I'll try. It's hard though.
I know. Deep breaths help sometimes.
Let's focus and finish this report.
Okay. Let's meet again later.
See you at the lunchroom, Jim.
See you there, John. Stay strong.
Thanks, Jim. You too, my friend.
We'll get updates soon. Stay hopeful.
No matter what, we'll manage.
Right. We'll find a new way.
If not here, somewhere else good.
Life keeps going. We keep going.
I'll talk to my wife tonight.
Same here. Families should know everything.
They deserve to hear the truth.
No secrets. They'll help us cope.
My wife will support my decisions.
Mine too. That gives me strength.
We are not alone in this.
We have families, friends, each other.
Exactly. We're stronger than this problem.
Let's stay positive but also ready.
Ready for anything, come what may.
Did Susan reply again yet?
Not yet. Maybe she's walking now.
We'll wait. Just 10 more minutes.
Okay. Let's keep working until then.
This report needs some finishing touches.
I'll help you format the graphs.
Thanks. You're fast with those charts.
Just learned shortcuts last week. Helpful.
Teach me sometime soon, please.
Sure thing. After we finish this.
Deal. You're a great teammate, John.
You too, Jim. Always helpful.
I try. I care about people.
Same here. Kindness goes a long way.
Okay, lunch break. Let's go now.
Grab your sandwich and let's go.
Got it. Let's find Susan fast.